how to draw a symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw a pie. Let's start off by drawing a really wide curved line to the top of the pie. Then, start the edge of the crust with a C shape here on the left. From there, draw a wavy line across to the other side with a gentle downward bend in the middle. And mirror the C shape on the other side. On top of the wavy line, draw another wavy line just like it. For the pie tin, start with a line coming down at an angle here, and mirror that on the right side. Then, connect the two ends with another really wide curved line like this. And for the texture on the pie tin, draw some lines coming down from the crust but not touching the bottom, starting at an angle on the left, straightening out towards the middle, and leaning to the other side on the right. Then, draw a really wide and flat oval underneath the pie with a dish or serving tray. And add a few thin oval shapes on top for the holes. Bakers poke these holes to let the steam escape when they bake their pies. Lastly, draw some S-shaped lines above the pie to show that it's hot. And now you got a pie!